I'm gonna go into a tasty route. I'm gonna go for the Nashville hot chicken sandwich. Crispy chicken, dredged in beautiful flavors, hot spices. We'll see how hot.
I imagine all of your heat's coming from spices only, right?
It absolutely is. And that is gonna be in our flour, which is gonna give us that really crispy crust. So I've got a Bayou blend. I've also got this Nashville blend, which is a bunch of really delicious seasonings and flavors. Now we're gonna dredge in some egg, and then we're gonna go to the flour. And then we're gonna double dredge. We're gonna go back to the egg, and then back in the flour. Make sure to coat everything really, really well, and then let's get it off to the oil. I'm heating up my oil to about 350 right on the Blackstone. That's really kind of that sweet spot. So we want to get those in there and then let them kind of take this crispy bath. Let's give our chicken a flip here. We're wanting to do this like every 3 or 4 minutes. We want that real beautiful crust, and I think we're well on our way. Now, when it comes to frying on a flat top, I recommend a high temperature oil. So I've got some Graza Frizzle. We're gonna also do a quick pickle. I've got some broccoli slaw here. I'm gonna do just a little bit of red wine vinegar. I would normally do more red wine. Since we have pickles, I thought using pickle juice would be a fun way to start compounding those flavors.
It's a great idea.
Thank you, sir. I've also got a little bit of brown sugar because I want to sweeten this up just a little bit. All right, all right, all right, all right. Definitely do this part. You want to make sure that you give that chicken a chance to get rid of that excess oil, or else it's going to go soggy. And let it sit for just a minute. You will thank yourself, but we're going to let this sit for like 2 minutes.
Did you double crust?
Yes, I did.
Looks great.
Thank you very much. I think this is also pro move.
Whoa.
A little bit of this hot fried oil. We've also got some of that Nashville seasoning. We're also gonna hit it with a little bit of this Bayou blend.
So it's like Cajun Nashville.
That's exactly right.
It's very far west.
A little bit of honey because the sweetness does go a very long way. A little bit of hot sauce. Is it missing anything? Okay, we're gonna do that. I'm gonna do a quick toast while I do this quick dredge. This is where the magic's at. You ready, Nate?
Okay, I'm ready.
All right, here we go.
Double crust. Ooh, come on now.
Go as heavy as you like. Let's get my toasted, quickly, lightly toasted buns. We're gonna pull those off right there. We're gonna add a few pickles, precisely 5. On we go with our glazed chicken.
Lord.
And then we're gonna top that off with some quick pickle slaw. It's gonna help cut through some of that crazy heat that we're gonna be dealing with.
Those are gorgeous, buddy.
Yes, thank you, sir.
They're really, really beautiful. All right, here we go.
You know what's nice, what just happened?
What?
The honey. The honey helped balance things.
Is that hot sauce?
Really? Show off. I don't care. This is you and your personality, and this is me and my personality.
I want to hang out with that all the time.
Exactly. There you said it, folks. That's it.